they're ready. We're about to go for a run across the lake here. Yep. Flush. Look at slushy right here. You're doing good today. That's where my ice shelter is. G! 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 Arrgh. Guys didn't go with G. That's where my ice shelter is. That ice block shelter I just built. Go fishing this afternoon. Go for this run, go back to this rock, and come back out with the dogs. Fish right there for the day. So we just went all the way up to the end of the lake there, and we're headed back down. They're doing great. They get into this steady pace and they just go. Fishing on Good Tack Trail, on Stoneville Trail here.